Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways and simple ways for the do-it-yourselfer. People ask, what is the most important tool you can have in your shop? I'm going to shock you a little bit. That most important tool you have in your shop, which you can't do anything without them or it, is your hands.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Okay? You've got to have your hands to hold your buffer, to wax your car, to put your concoctions on and put them together. You've got to have your hands and you've got to take care of them. So this video is for you and those people out there that get their hands grimy and dirty and oily and nasty and they crack and peel and all that kind of crazy stuff. I'm going to share with you how we try to keep our hands in soft and supple like an angel's skin. Just kidding you. So let's get busy. I'm going to put one glove on. We take this right here. I like to take the cap right off so you can see it coming out. A little bit, doesn't take a lot. We're going to take this glove and rub it into this hand. The other hand with the glove on is untreated. Now, one of the most important times you can use this is every time you work on your car, or if you're painting your house, or whatever it may be. It's non-allergenic, so you don't have to worry about that. And we like to pack it under our fingernails because nothing worse than nasty looking fingernails. Get it under there the best you can. All right, now to test this, we're going to put my hands through the wringer. I'm going to use some Krylon enamel paint. How's that? This hand is untreated. This has a mixture of motor oil and the worst stuff we know of, rubberized undercoating. We're going to add a little more motor oil. Used garbage right there. We're going to smear that on both hands, rub it in. We're going to take our bucket, hot water, with some of our platinum, Dawn Platinum in it. Just about 3 tablespoons. We're going to dunk each hand in there, swish them around, and see which one comes out cleaner. There you go. The proof is in the pudding. The paint is still on. You can see that my hand here is much cleaner looking, whiter than this one. You can still see the oil stains all in there. Now to keep them soft and supple so that you don't get cracked cuticles and all that, we use O'Keeffe's working hands. And you just rub it in. And this is great for everyone, men, women, children. What a product. And we use corn huskers. When you're really doing a dirty job, we use both together. Rub them in real well. I know it's a crazy video when it comes to cars, but you work on cars with your hands, you got to keep them nice. Glad you're here with us. Come back again. Take care, ladies and gentlemen.